Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to visit unblocked websites on your school Chromebook. So this video is very easy, simple to follow, so follow to the end. Basically, you're going to want to head over to the description and I'm going to have the school website unblocker there. You're going to want to go ahead and head over it. So basically I'm gonna go ahead and click on it here and you can see we are now here. It's gonna say Rammerhead proxy. Now basically what this means is it's gonna be running a proxy in order to get you on all these blocked websites on your Chromebook. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna start off by creating a new session ID. So create that new session ID and it should autofill your session ID in the session ID section. Now from here guys, it is as easy as typing in the website you want to go ahead and visit. So I am on my school Chromebook right now and I'm gonna go ahead and visit Spotify.com. So Spotify.com is banned on my school Chromebook, so I'm gonna go ahead and press go and see if it works. So basically it obviously works, but it's gonna run the proxy and you guys can see now it's gonna go ahead and put us in the Spotify.com website. So here we can go ahead and listen to any songs, or you can go ahead and sign in, but I really wouldn't sign in, so just basically search up from here. But you can see here that you can go ahead and listen to peaceful piano and all that stuff, which nobody really wants to listen to, right? So we're gonna go ahead and head over to Defocus, and here you can go ahead and listen to a bunch of songs, guys. So basically you can go ahead and just listen to every song. It's unblocked, and this goes for every other website you want to go ahead and visit, guys. So go ahead and test it out, try it out, go ahead and get to it before the school takes it down. But with that being said, if you found this video very informational, make sure you guys drop a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.